everyone, today's project is a homemade bench. So for this one, you're going to need 2 pieces of 2x8 at the desired length you want your seat part to be. And then you're going to need 4 pieces of 2x4 that are 15.5 inches long, and 4 pieces of 2x4 that are 8 inches long. First, you're going to take 2 of those 8 inches pieces and attach a 15.5 inch piece to the top of them, making sure that your ends are flush and everything. And don't forget to pre-drill your holes. It makes your life much easier. And then you're going to flip it around and attach the other 15.5 inch piece to the other side of those 2 8-inch pieces using your electric screwdriver. And I can't stress enough, pre-drill your holes because it will help you. Here you can see the box it makes with the 2 pieces of 8-inch and the 2 pieces of 15.5 inch. You're going to actually make 2 of those little boxes, and those are your legs. That's what these smaller squares are. Now you can listen to what I'm saying, or you can follow the directions on the screen. I wish we had taken more pictures to show you, and I apologize, but it was so simple and could have been done in less than half an hour. And we used all scrap wood to make ours because it's for us, and we really are simple people here. I love the way it turned out. We attached the legs to the bottom of the 2x8 planks using 8 screws. And I think it came out wonderfully beautiful. I was very proud of it. And for now, we're using it as kind of like a porch roof for the cat to sleep under when it's raining. That way he can still eat and drink and take a nap. My love to you all, and I hope you're having an easy week. Take care, everyone.